Hello, I'm in a 2009 Toyota Venza, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your time. So you want to start the vehicle. In a few moments it should all prompt all the load screens and whatnot. So then from in here, once you're through everything, you're going to go to setup. And then here's the touchscreen for clock. And then it actually automatically connects to through internet type services to update. So from here, you just want to make sure you're in the right time zone. And then, different areas of the world have different daylight savings rules. So that's why here you could change it to on or off. Say it's off for where we are, then you could save it, and then it would be off. And then same, adjust it to be on if needed. Same with, say it's got the wrong zones here, Eastern save, etc., etc., and then it eventually will adjust your time up here to match your settings here. But anyways, yeah, there's not like a way to hard change the hours and minutes that I'm aware of. And if you're still having issues with that over, once you get the right settings saved, and it doesn't eventually update your time here, that might be a question for a Toyota specialist, some sort of mechanic, or hopefully some other videos out there could help you troubleshoot that without being too much hassle ripping the dash apart and troubleshooting things like that. But otherwise, I hope this video was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.